In this video, you'll learn how to manage call history in Google Meet, whether you're trying to quickly find a meeting you joined last week or you just want to keep your recent calls organized. I'll walk you through the simple steps so you can confidently handle your recent meetings list. Let's start at the very beginning by opening Google Meet. You can do this in a couple of common ways. On a computer, the most direct option is to open your web browser and go to the Google Meet website. If you're signed into your Google account, you'll be taken straight to the main Meet home screen. On a phone or tablet, you can open the Google Meet app from your home screen or app drawer. If you don't see it, it might be combined with Gmail, so you may need to open Gmail and tap the Meet tab at the bottom or side of the screen. Make sure you're using the Google account that you actually use for meetings because your call history is tied to that specific account. Once Google Meet is open, your goal is to get to the recent meetings area. On the main screen, you should see a section that lists your most recent calls and meetings. Depending on your device and layout, it might be labeled something like Recent, Recents, or Recent Meetings. This is where Google Meet keeps a quick history of the meetings you've joined or hosted using the current account. If you don't immediately see that section, try scrolling down a little on the home screen. On mobile, you might need to swipe up to reveal more of the interface. On desktop, look toward the middle or lower part of the page. Once you find the Recent Meetings area, you'll see individual entries representing each call or meeting. Now that you're in the right place, you can start viewing and managing those entries. Each entry in your recent list typically shows useful details such as the meeting name or nickname, the date and time, and sometimes who organized the meeting. To take action on one of these entries, look for small icons or menu buttons next to it. This is often shown as 3 vertical dots or a similar menu symbol. If you click or tap on a meeting entry, you can usually rejoin that meeting if it's still active or scheduled, or open more information about it. This makes it easy to jump back into a recurring team call or a class session without having to search your email for the link again. To manage your history more directly, open the options menu next to a specific meeting. Depending on your version of Google Meet, you may see options like rejoining the call, copying the join info, or removing that meeting from your recent list. Removing an entry will clear it from your view, which is helpful if your list is cluttered with old or one-time meetings you no longer need to see. Keep in mind that removing a recent entry doesn't cancel the actual meeting or affect anyone else. It only cleans up your personal history view. Take a moment to go through your recent meetings and tidy things up. Remove entries you don't need and keep the ones you still use regularly. Over time, managing this list makes it much easier to quickly find and join the calls that matter most to you. That's all it takes. By opening Google Meet, going to your recent meetings, and viewing or managing the entries there, you can keep your call history organized and easy to navigate.